Section 1. A reality check on the biology degree. Is a biology degree really worth it in 2025? So many students and parents ask this question. The world is changing fast and the cost of college is a big deal. The simple answer is yes, a biology degree can be very valuable. But it is not a magic ticket to a high-paying job right after you graduate. You need a plan. This video will give you a clear modern reality check. We will look at the real skills you learn, the jobs you expect, some surprising jobs you might not know about. It all depends on your goals, how much you can spend, what you do to prepare yourself for the working world. Let's talk about return on investment, or ROI. This is a simple way to think about what you get back for what you put in. A 4-year degree costs a lot of money and takes a lot of your time. So, you want to know if the career you can get will be worth that cost. The key to making a biology degree worth it is to see it as a foundation. Section 2. The skills you gain and the jobs you know. When you study biology, you are building a powerful toolkit of core skills. You learn much more than just facts about plants and animals. You learn the scientific method, a way of thinking and solving problems. You practice collecting and organizing data, a huge skill today. You learn how to do research, read dense scientific papers, and explain them in your own words. You also get hands-on experience in the lab, learning tools and following procedures exactly. Critical thinking, data analysis, research, technical lab work. These are the building blocks for many stable careers. Many people picture a few standard jobs when they think of a biology degree. These are classic paths, important and always in demand. Laboratory technician, working in a hospital, a university, or a private company, running experiments and analyzing samples. Think of these jobs as the first floor of your career building, a stable base to climb higher. They're a reliable way to start your professional journey. Section 3. 9. Surprising careers. Hiding in plain sight. Now, let's look beyond the lab coat. Your biology degree opens doors to many surprising and exciting careers that you might have never considered. One great example is a biotech sales representative. In this job, you use your deep understanding of biology to explain complex scientific equipment to hospitals and research labs. You are not just selling a product, you are helping other scientists do their work better. Another unexpected field is user experience research for health technology. Think about all the health apps on your phone or the software used in hospitals. Someone has to make sure they are easy for patients and doctors to use. Have you ever thought about becoming a science writer or journalist? Many news websites, magazines, museums need people who can take complicated scientific discoveries and write about them in a way that everyone can understand. You could work in forensic science using DNA to help solve crimes. The possibilities are truly broad. Section 4. Making your degree work harder for you. So, how can you make sure your biology degree gives you the best possible return on your investment? The most important thing you can do is start preparing early, long before you graduate. Do not just go to class and get good grades. You need to get real-world experience. The best way to do this is through internships. Try to get at least 1 or 2 internships while you're still in school. This experience on your resume is more valuable than almost anything else. It shows future employers that you know how to work in a professional setting. You should also actively add a few extra skills to your toolkit. For example, take 1 or 2 classes in statistics or computer science. Learning the basics of a programming language like Python or R, which are used for data analysis, can make you much more attractive to employers. Also, become very good at using common software like Microsoft, Excel, and PowerPoint. Networking is another crucial step. It just means talking to people about what they do. Finally, you need to build a simple portfolio of your work. Taking these small, active steps will make your biology degree incredibly valuable and worth the investment.